no matter which background you have, this course is designed that everybody can learn it. It's very practical. You go home and you start right away.
Permaculture for me has been basically an eye-opener, this course. It's living in harmony with nature.
Plus also living by respecting people around you, not only nature.
Ever since the world began, let's be natural.
Using all of the things that are on your land and making sure that it goes back into your land. So there's no excess, there's no waste.
Regarding the earth, climate changes, climate control, soil structures, mulching.
Is the way of life. In every sense, in building our own shelters, in supplying ourselves with the food, with the water, with the energy, with our relationship with all life beings.
Permaculture, according to me, is the coolest lifestyle possible.
The main thing I hear when I tell people is that, oh, so it's gardening. But it's more than that. You can design anything. It can be your balcony, it can be your farm, it can be your garden, it can be your business, it can be anything.
Let's be natural.
It starts with a seed, and that could be a seed of thought, a seed of knowledge, and the learning and experiences are exponential.
One thing that we've been doing ever since the beginning with Saraya, everything is used, everything has a use, everything is designed to be part of a system.
Rather than working with waste, you're actually creating new waste. And I think that's where it integrates with upcycling.
I think permaculture gives me like tools to come out of this kind of frustrated helplessness that a lot of us, me at least, feel to action. I agree.
I really love how you involve yourselves in the PTC. You're really giving 100%. Really makes hope for the future.
I feel extremely confident and invigorated to be able to design a piece of property where I can grow my own food and live in a sustainable manner.
I'm taking back a lot of inspiration, tools, practical ideas, a lot of new things to study more deeply on my own.
A very big thing that I'm taking back with me is for the first time I'm actually seeing soil as something live. A huge sense of respect for every living organism maybe.
For me, this course just brings me the strength to start something.
I'll try a lot of stuff once I get back home, and I'm really looking forward to it.
The course has taught me to release limitations that I previously held about the nature.
What I'm going to take home from this course would be to be more aware of the choices that I will be making. And I have a small backyard. Can't wait to start gardening.
I'd say just jump right in. Today there's so many resources available of so many different kinds and on so many platforms. There's absolutely no reason to wait for just the right teacher, just the right course, or just the right setting. Just get in there and get going.
Do what you can with what you got, when you've got it, and wherever you are.
For all those might be interested in the topic, I really encourage people to, yes, do come, because it can be a life-changing experience, it can be really motivating, and it can be also creating a network between the people who are in the same path of bringing the change in their own lives.
Living within the borders of the environment, of my planet, having limited resources and having a tool that gives me all the capacity that I can do something. I mean, holy moly, this is just as good as it gets.
Permaculture!